Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are going to do a taste test of chocolate milk that I pressure canned 4 months ago. It's been sitting on the shelf. I have it in the refrigerator, I have had it in the refrigerator to cool down. But we're going to do a taste test on this. Looks good. Smells good.
Smells good.
Taste.
It's good.
Okay guys, there you have it. Jackson gave it a taste test. He really liked it. And I will put more milk in the refrigerator. Folks, you can pressure can milk, store it at room temperature. I mean, months and months. It's amazing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.